Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The Celsius Network's native token surged by over 300% a month after it initiated a $2.5 billion repayment scheme for more than 250,000 creditors. A court filing showed that the bankrupt digital asset lender had repaid about $2.53 billion to 251,000 creditors. The United States Department of Justice has filed an antitrust suit against payments giant Visa for allegedly operating a debit payments monopoly. Complaint alleged that Visa uses exclusivity agreements and the threat of penalties against vendors to prevent competition from infringing on the company's market share. OPEC raised its forecast for world oil demand for the medium and long term in an annual outlook, citing growth led by India, Africa and the Middle East and a slower shift to electric vehicles and cleaner fuels. OPEC sees demand growing for a longer period than other forecasters like BP and the International Energy Agency. The pound-dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.4% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair rose 0.8% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The dollar dipped a slight 0.2% against the yen in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 11 GMT. The US new home sales at 14 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 14:30 GMT. The US 5-year note auction will be released at 17 GMT. The French consumer confidence at 6:45 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.